Hey guys, it's Food Perfect, and today we're doing some fidget spinner trick shot. No ugly, turn the light on. Okay, so for this trick shot, we're gonna throw the fidget spinner onto the bed. Ready, go! Ah! Oh wow, I'm making billions and millions in Roblox. Okay guys, so we're gonna throw the fidget spinner on the bed, but in slow motion. Okay guys, we're gonna do some Gary's Mod trick shots. But first we're gonna do fidget spinner trick! So we're gonna throw it onto the bed. Ready, go! Ah! So Gmod's open. So now we're gonna do a Gmod trick shot and throw the computer across the room. Okay, so impulsively he's gonna play that Suicide Game theme song. Okay, so for our final trick shot, we're gonna throw this fidget spinner onto those pillows. Oh! Oh my god! Oh my god, we actually did it! It's on the pillow! Okay, thanks for watching everyone. I'm gonna go back to investing in Bitcoin with all of my YouTube revenue.